My niece Leah's birthday is tomorrow and she's obsessed with Cat Noir, so I thought it would be fun to try to create Cat Noir's gloves. And I'm sure like a lot of you guys, I had no idea who Cat Noir was, so here's a few pictures so you can kind of get the vibe. And in typical Annie fashion, I have no idea what I'm doing. I've never done this before. Luckily we have backup gifts, so it's not a big deal, but I would be really disappointed if this doesn't turn out well because I have such a strong vision for it. I came up with this idea last minute and I've been waiting on the gloves to come in so that I can get started. So the pair of gloves that I think is gonna work better came in today, and that's why I'm doing it right now. But I originally went with these ones. But then I thought about the Velcro on here, and I don't want her to feel confined with this on, and I also don't want her to be able to not take them off. And if they have nails attached to it, she's really not gonna be able to take them off easily. So the next day I ordered these guys, and these are really cute. I don't know if you can see on here, but there's a star detail around them. I thought that was really cool, adding to like the superhero, supervillain. Is she a superhero or supervillain? But you get the vibe. And I have these acrylic stiletto nails that I think would be perfect for what I'm trying to go for. But I think before I get started, I'm gonna need to stuff the gloves. I feel like the shape of the finger filled out would let me know where to place this. I feel like, should I change my shirt? I don't even know if you guys can tell what I'm doing. Okay, there we go. So I feel like just rolling up some paper towels will give the impression of a finger. All right, that was kind of a pain in the ass, but I think that'll help. I feel like the next move is figuring out what nail size I'm gonna need for these. I feel like that would be it, right? And I would go one size up for the thumb and then one size down for the pinky, because I feel like it should have kind of a uniform look, but like slightly tapered. I feel like the smart thing to do would be to paint them first and then attach them. So I'm just gonna tape them down, paint them, and then we'll attach them. Okay, so I just have Scotch tape balled up that I taped them to, then I'm gonna paint them. All right, here's how we're looking. All right guys, here is the true test. We are gonna glue these on. I'm gonna be using this fabric glue that I got on Amazon. Then I'm just gonna apply this to the inside of the nail. I just had a taste for how messy this is gonna be, so I'm just gonna put on some gloves. We got one nail down. I do have a little bit of glue residue around the side here, but I feel like that was kind of inevitable. I'm sure I could clean that up later. We'll figure it out. All right, guys, I feel like I need to pivot. I don't know if these are gonna dry correctly. I feel like it needs to be a bigger nail so that it hugs the fabric completely and doesn't have an air bubble in there. I told you guys I needed to pivot, so I just went up a few sizes in each nail, just so that it would wrap around the fabric and then I wouldn't have any air bubbles in there. And then I just clamped them real quick with these hair clips. And then I guess I'll just wait till it dries, and I might just do that overnight and then paint them tomorrow because it's just nail polish, so that shouldn't take long to dry. I'm hoping this turns out okay. This is just so me thinking that things are gonna be easier than what they actually are, but I still have hope. Okay, this is the next morning. I just took the clips off of here and then I cleaned up some glue around the edges. They look really good, actually. I'm shocked. I'm just going in and I'm filing down the nails a little bit to make them a little less pointy, and then we're gonna paint them. They turned out really cool. I hope she likes them. The next step is what to put the gloves in. The box came in that I ordered and it's definitely bigger than I was expecting. It feels a little pretentious. I mean, they would definitely fit in here, but does this just feel too big? I really wanted just like a gift glove box, but I couldn't find anything online. I mean, at least not on Amazon. Everything was around this size, or they were a little bit smaller, but they were deeper, and it was just like kind of weird. I don't know. Maybe I'll just run out and see if I can get something somewhere. I don't even know, where would you get a gift box that's not around the holidays? Okay, so the only size that I was able to find was this one, but this is the depth that I was talking about that I didn't want, but it is smaller. But anyway, for the box, I got these graphics that I thought were cool, almost make it look like an official pair of gloves from Cat Noir. And I'm between this one or this one. Okay, I went with this one mainly because it says Cat Noir, and also, doesn't it just look like a logo? And obviously I got neon tissue paper, so I think I'm gonna rearrange the tissue paper in a different way, but I'm glad I chose a smaller box. I think they look really cute in here, and this just looks really cute. I hope she likes it. That's the funny thing about kids, is that you just never know, but I had fun making them. Oh my god.
What is that?
Insurance fraud, basically. They got caught.
Oh my god.
But they were...
Go. No, do it on the Go. Oh, we have to sing.
Lee!
Play, look at mama.